Hey there, Tiffany Jamison Vanderluck back again. A founder of the Yale University and creator of the Radical Self-Expert Method, the fastest, simplest 7-step method to discover how to be your true self, change your life now, and be happy today the easy way. So I know many of you watch the video or will watch the video, or I hope will watch the video about small thinkers affecting your big vision. And what I want to offer is, how do you know like people are small-minded or small thinkers, right? And because it's a little bit strange, I get the desire to want to fit in. That's what we're born as, right? We want to identify and connect with someone. That's how the child, the feral child, right, who's left out in the woods and is raised by the wolves, right? They identify with it. Like, it's so human. It's such a basic thing to us to want to belong. You have children who are not racist, who parents are, who have racist parents, and then they take on the views of their parents, and later they grow out of it or not. But their desire is to identify and connect, right? To fit in and to belong. So I get it, the desire to do that. So when you try to have that big vision and you try to change the status quo and be a different energy, right? Like they're trying to watch, a bootleg channel, and you're trying to, be, on a different vibrational level, you encounter some resistance. And I get it, and we don't want to be judged. God, the fear of being judged is just overwhelming, and I talk about that a lot in the Fabricated Fears. But, what's cool about being an adult, one of the benefits is that we get to choose something else, and we don't have to stay that limited, small thinking person. We get to choose another possibility for us. And then what's really cool is, by doing that, we can change the possibilities available for our children. So big ol' yay for that. Now, the rub is that there are a lot of small thinkers in the world, right? And they live through their false fears or fabricated fears. That's what I call them, fabricated fears, because fear isn't actually real. Limitations, judgments, conclusions, and all of that stuff. If you notice, the world is very small. The world of a small thinker is very small. Have you noticed that? That's not a coincidence, right? They usually stay in the same place, stay in the same jobs, do the same things. Their world is very small, right? It's small mind, small thinking, small, and the good thing, as I said, about being an adult is we get to choose. So here is something to consider based upon Jim Rohn, who's one of my favorite motivational gurus, because he's listen, everybody can live a small life, but not you, okay? Everybody's gonna do some small stuff, but not you. You do the big stuff. And I'll post the quote, because we all know I'm very loose with the paraphrasing, right? Okay, so here are some things that he says, that when you're being the energy that you be in the world, some things to consider. So you have to, he says, I'm going to read it because I don't want to mess up this paraphrase because it's way too important. You must constantly ask yourself these questions. Who am I around? What are they doing to me? What have they got me reading? What have they got me saying? Where do they have me going? What do they have me thinking? And most important, what do they have me becoming? Then ask yourself the big question, is that okay? Your life does not get better by chance, it gets better by change. Powerful, right? So you want to know if these are small thinking people, are the people that you are running with in line with your big vision. Not just are they oh yeah, you go girl, but are they taking action on their big vision? Right? What are they reading? Are they taking action based upon something that's expansive and contributive and generative and creative, right? Or are they just content to, and there's nothing wrong with working a 9-to-5. There's nothing, this is not about money. This is about you being the fullest expression of who you be. By you reaching your full awesome potential, for you being a gift and contribution to the people that you were put on this earth to serve. There are people who are waiting for you. They can hear no one but you in some area of their life, and they're hurting and starved to connect with you. I love this Richard Buckminster Fuller quote. He says, never forget that you are one of a kind. Never forget that if there weren't any need for you in all of your uniqueness to be on earth, you wouldn't be here in the first place. And never forget, no matter how overwhelmingly life's challenges and problems seem to be, that the one person can make a difference in the world. In fact, it is always because of one person that all the changes that matter in the world come about. So be that one person. Powerful, right? So look around. Who are you running with? What are they talking about? Think about that Eleanor Roosevelt quote from the other Big Vision, Small Minds video, where she says, you know, our small minds talk about small things. Small minds have conversations about small people. What are the people talking about around you? Are they waiting for God to bless you, or waiting for God to bless them? Or are they praying and then moving their freaking feet, like the African proverb says? Pray and move your feet. Are they taking action? Are they thinking differently? Are they thinking on another level of possibility, another level of consciousness? Or are they like, oh girl, I'm just gonna wait and see what? If they're waiting and seeing, run. Run like the wind, or if nothing else, keep your vision and hold your vision sacred and connect with other people who are living that big vision and who are every day, every minute, who are taking action towards this thing. Now, I'm not saying you have to do like I did, which is, sell off everything and leave the country, although if you want to, yay for you, and do that as well. But you need to make sure that you're in line with higher level thinkers who are vibrating at a higher level, not the small levels. As Jim Rohn said, let others lead small lives, not you, okay? So this is Tiffany Jameson Vanderlip. Use those questions. Comment below. Let me know who you're running with, who you're talking to. I would love to hear, what's going on in your world. Tiffany Jameson Vanderlip here, sending radical yay your way. Share the yay, and I'll see you on the next video.